One of the most popular crypto enthusiasts and YouTube influencers, Bitboy Crypto, revealed that Cardano is the best altcoin to buy right now because of this. Want to learn more about it? Make sure to stay tuned to this video to find out. Welcome to Cardano News. If you want to win 250 free ADA, see the comments section below and join our giveaway. So, when thousands of Bitcoin competitors invaded the market in 2017, altcoins became a thing. Many cryptocurrencies have progressed beyond expectations to become standalone products with unique real-world applications, allowing investors to diversify their portfolios. Meanwhile, finding the finest cryptocurrencies to invest in might be difficult for most newcomers since there are thousands of them. So if you're having trouble locating the most promising altcoins, this video should help you get your bearings straight. Because most cryptocurrencies are considered to be volatile, consumers are careful about trading them. Hence, one of the focuses of this video will be on altcoins, which are cryptocurrencies with a limited quantity of coins that help to create demand and support their perceived worth, similar to Bitcoin. In this way, we'll look at the top altcoins that you should be looking into. This video will be a little different because the coins are not going to be exactly what you think. Altcoins are soaring right now as Solana continues to crush it, giving a remarkable rally in the current calendar year. Further, Binance Coin has risen by almost 30% overnight to over $660, and it will be a great example of one of the coin categories we will teach you to look at today. And we're on the verge of an altcoin parabolic cycle. But what does parabolic mean, by the way? Consider a parabola, which is similar to a bell curve in that the higher you go, the straighter the line becomes. So if you see an altcoin going parabolic and hitting on a chart, that implies it's going parabolic and hitting. Over the last 24 hours, we've seen a lot of coins crush it, and hyperdrive is one way to look at it. During this bull run, there are three types of altcoins that you just cannot afford to ignore. But among these, one altcoin is considered the best by Bitboy Crypto. Now, what exactly are these coins? So I'm going to give you the best coin today, and I will also give you some samples as we go along the way. These three categories of altcoins that you must consider right now are entirely subjective. Coins that formerly had a lot of momentum but are now stagnating are one of the coins you should consider buying. And why is this so? That's why you have to find out in this video, so make sure to stay tuned. Moreover, we're searching for coins that have had massive run-ups in the past that subsided a little bit. They are currently headed sideways. Also, let me remind you of a coin that was just lately in this category. That would have been Binance Coin, which has been stagnant for a long time and had been trading below $400, indicating a lack of momentum. Earlier in this bull run, it had a lot of momentum, but it had been so stagnant for so long. We've seen VeChain and Polygon go through periods like this, where it smashes and then suddenly subsides, and it appears as if it'll continue to go sideways forever. However, the coins that we'd be looking for here are Cardano and XRP, as these are the two most stagnant coins. Cardano is currently fighting to stay over $2, whereas XRP has been moving a little bit recently. Furthermore, you should look at these two coins because they have been in long-term accumulation zones. Also, you've been assured that the institutional manipulators' suppression of Cardano should be finished soon. Additionally, Cardano and XRP are two distinct systems, one of which is known for blockchain and the other for payments. Cardano uses proof-of-stake algorithms, making it one of the largest and fastest cryptocurrency companies in the world. Furthermore, unlike other cryptocurrency systems, Cardano can manage a huge number of transactions and has exceptional scalability. It has so far processed 257 transactions per second in testing, and it also has the potential to develop to 1 million transactions per second in principle. Also, there are several factors that distinguish this cryptocurrency from its competitors in terms of market capitalization. Until early 2021, Cardano traded for around 10 cents, whereas worker Dino began the year at 18 cents. But then it surged, and within a week it was trading at 32 cents. Despite some instability, Cardano experienced its biggest surge, and others consider the ADA ecosystem to be extremely complicated, opting to skip it in favor of simpler projects. Cardano, on the other hand, has the potential to overshadow major players like Bitcoin and Ethereum in the future. Apart from these instances, there are others out there whose initiatives have demonstrated over time that these are simply natural patterns and cycles that they go through. Terra, Luna, Avalanche, Solana, and Axie Infinity, which achieved a new all-time high recently, are the next coins that have maintained momentum and crushed it during this entire bull run. These currencies' gains haven't seemed to slow down. According to a video from Cointelelie Vortex Score, the safest coins to invest in were those with extremely high average gains for each leg of this bull run, Cardano for instance. We know these coins have been crushing it for a long time and have not slowed down. They do contain minor accumulation zones as well as peaks and valleys, of course. By no means am I advising you to buy a meme coin, but when you look at Dogecoin, it falls into the first group, which was absolutely smashed early in the bull run and has since been somewhat stagnant. And of course, SHIB has maintained its momentum during this bull run. Whether it is a meme coin or not, it has proved that it has a significant price drop. However, because cryptocurrencies, particularly those like these, are exceedingly volatile, traders and investors like you must exercise extreme caution when trading them. Nonetheless, Cardano's new proof-of-stake model will undoubtedly deliver on its promise of shaking up the crypto market for the better. Moving on, the hottest coins in various niches, which are cyclical, are another currency that you certainly cannot afford to miss during this bull run. To figure out how to position yourself with these coins, you'll need to do a bit more research and use a little more brain power. For example, after Facebook made this announcement, Metaverse appeared out of nowhere, and then Facebook came out and announced that they were renaming it to Meta. And when you look at the Metaverse now, you're searching for ways to generate money that aren't as simple as investing in coins. But take a look at what happened last week with the Metaverse currencies. These things smashed it. Further, there are more Metaverse initiatives out there, such as Evaverse and Seek VR, and it would be difficult to list them all. So when you see a coin spike higher than anything else, find out what category and the niche it belongs to. It's also a good idea to ask queries like, is this an NFT project? Is this a project involving smart contracts? Is this a video game project? Is it a coin for staking? Is it a privacy coin or a digital currency? When you notice huge changes approaching for a coin, start looking at other coins in that niche that might be moving as well. If it's based on something like Facebook to Meta News, where all of a sudden people are taking Metaverse seriously, try to front-run that. Also, find news that can match a pump and then figure out if that can apply to other coins in a certain niche. That's how we've crushed the smart contract space. Almost all of the top projects outside of XRP, which are smart contracts on the XRP ledger and Flare network. However, smart contract platforms are almost all of our biggest holdings and Binance Coin. Those are the only two out of our top 4 altcoins that are not smart contracts platforms, so we look at categories at a time. Moreover, exchange tokens have had a lot of different periods where they've been the hottest coin in their sector, so they're worth keeping an eye on. You may look at niches and see how you can capitalize on this momentum in certain areas. So those are 3 coins that you can't afford to lose and that you can't afford to ignore. First, coins that have performed well in the past but are presently stagnant. Second, currencies that have dominated the entire bull run. And then the most last one are the market leaders in various areas. As a result, we may infer that new crypto platforms and blockchain types are propelling the sector forward in new and interesting ways, and Cardano is at the forefront of this change. Cardano is a new third-generation blockchain technology that offers a more efficient proof-of-work system. Cardano uses a more decentralized proof-of-stake system instead of proof-of-work, resulting in enhanced scalability and sustainability when compared to many other cryptocurrency platforms, including its main competitor. Cardano's proof-of-stake blockchain infrastructure, as well as its ADA currency, are gaining traction due to several important advantages that competitors must now aim to match. For starters, Cardano's energy efficiency sets it apart from other, less environmentally friendly cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin and Ethereum. Cardano utilizes only about 6 gigawatt-hours of energy per year, whereas Bitcoin uses over 100 terawatt-hours per year. It may one day be suited for a wide range of applications, including maintaining tamper-proof school data, validating pharmaceutical orders, and keeping personal information for users' crucial financial variables such as creditworthiness. Due to recent investments, blockchain firms like these are emerging, thus relying on Cardano's eventual adaptability may be a wise choice. However, cryptocurrency investing is still a high-risk, speculative venture, but it can be lucrative for those willing to risk painful losses in the hopes of big profits. Remember that investing is not a get-rich-quick scheme, so stay away from trendy investments that promise quick gains. With this, I agree with Bitboy Crypto that Cardano is the best altcoin to buy now because of its features. Don't forget to join the giveaway. Look in the comments section on what to do. Make sure you click the subscribe and bell button.